Okay, in this video for Unity, we're going to show you how to do a texture and also make a normal for that texture. So in my Unity scene, I'm just going to add an object. I'll add a sphere. And then for the texture, I'm just going to go to internet and I have this rock texture. I just did a search for it. This rock texture I'm just going to download. And here I'll just save it to my desktop. Here it is on the desktop. Now I'll add this 2 times to my project. 1 and 2. So the first one, I'm just going to use it as a texture on the object, and there you see I just drag and drop it, and it becomes a texture. And then the second one, I'm going to change it to a normal map, create from grayscale, lower the bumpiness down a little bit, and then I press apply, and you can see it changes the file into a normal map. Go back to my sphere, and there's the picture for the texture, and right here for normal map, I'm just going to drag and drop normal map onto there, and then you can see that now it's not just a flat image, it has the bumps applied that match up with the texture. I could adjust the tiling if I wanted to, and basically see that. So there, that's with the normal map applied, and I could also just show you the difference. That's without the normal map, and this is with the normal map. And there you go, that's how you make a normal map for any texture.